What's up, YouTube? So Caleb and I have just come back from Intergalactic Fireworks in Pendle, PA, and 95 South. 95 North wasn't a big deal, but coming back on 95 South, where they patched in the overpass, I'm watching the cars, right, go over that section of overpass, and they're like, whoop. So it appears, in my opinion, already their work is settling. And you can actually watch the cars when they go across. It's like whoop. So it's like a dip, up and dip, right? Mm-hmm. So it's like almost like a long wave speed bump. Yeah. And I can imagine what it's going to be like in the next few weeks, because it's not flat now, right? Yeah. And every time that a vehicle or a heavy vehicle compresses in a soft spot of a road or a pothole, guess what that does? It only makes it worse. It keeps dipping and dipping and dipping until it breaks away the mortar or the concrete or the tar. And then eventually these guys are going to be getting airborne coming through there. But I'll keep you posted on it. But I was just telling Cable, here's the section, and I'm watching the traffic. And these cars are driving across this paved road, and they're not having any issues. But the area where they repaired it is definitely wavy. You can watch the vehicle enter and compress, and then it goes up, so it unloads, and then it compresses again, and then it unloads to the other transition of the road.